have sworn I charged my camera last night. I did. I even woke up early to charge it. That is just so weird. Oh my god. Hey y'all, welcome. Welcome. I might have to charge my camera again or use a different charger because clearly that one wasn't working. Do not mind this pimple that's on the side of my face. That will go away. I'm probably gonna put a pimple patch on it. Yeah, it's huge. Okay, that's okay. Anyways, I'm trying to lay my wig down and I'm going to start using my little device that I got yesterday in the mail. I used it yesterday and I really like it. It's been so long since I've been on this channel, and I told y'all I was gonna upload last time and I guess I never did. It's been a hot minute. YouTube has always been like a struggle for me sometimes. I'm gonna use this device that everybody uses. I'm gonna do one side of my face just to show you guys if it really works or not. I feel like this side of my face is more fatter than the other side. But yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've seen you guys, and I apologize. I can't promise you that I'm probably gonna be here forever, but I was just in the mood to make a video. I kind of deleted some of like the videos I made on this channel. I don't even know why. And excuse my skin. My skin has been a struggle ever since I turned 25. I'm not even sure why. I've seen somebody do this before. Okay, maybe the device do work. Maybe it, like, I don't know. I have no idea. We're gonna do the other side of my face now, cause this stuff is drying up. I don't know what we're gonna do today. This is gonna be a very boring vlog. I'm just starting out this vlog with my skincare, and I'm going to take my car to car wash because it needs to be vacuumed. I just got a car too, so I could do a car tour for y'all on this channel. I don't know what kind of videos I'm gonna do, to be honest. Anyways, I'm gonna use a little bit of moisturizer on my face. I'm gonna do a little bit of cream. Oh my gosh, that's a cream. I'm gonna put a little bit of cream blush on my cheeks. And also, I can do an updated makeup routine too, because that's definitely needed on my channel. My makeup routine is definitely not the same like it used to be. Like, my makeup used to be so heavy. Like, remember like my first makeup tutorial, like my everyday makeup tutorial? That was so heavy. And I was like, why did I wear that kind of makeup like every day? Why? Right now, what I'm doing isn't my everyday makeup. It's like I just want to cover. But usually I have like a different routine that I do. And I can show you guys that. I could probably show you guys tomorrow. By the way, I'm going to show you guys my Christmas tree. Sorry about my snow star. Oh my god. It's like leaning over. Poor thing. Okay. So update on the tree. On my Instagram, I showed y'all that the middle part of my tree has blown out, and it like completely had blown out. Because, well, first of all, when I came back from the store to get some lights and I turned on my tree, the lights came back on again. And I was like, oh, cool, whatever. And then the other night, the lights just completely went. So I have to purchase another set of lights. This is really annoying. So what I recommend for you guys, if you guys are going to buy a Christmas tree, do not get Christmas tree that are pre-lit, because this will happen to you. I had this tree for 4 years, which is probably old, but like, I don't know, it still looks really good. So I definitely don't want to throw it out, because it's just like a waste of money, and I don't want to buy another 70 something dollar tree. So just because the lights got burnt out. So I'm gonna get like another wrap of lights when I go to the store later on, maybe, I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, it's so annoying. Like it's just really annoying, because last year the bottom part burnt out, and now it's the middle part, and next year it might be the top. So I'm in the Starbucks line, and I'm getting some Starbucks. I ordered a bagel and also a sugar cookie decaf iced coffee. So yep. By the way, I get so many compliments on my glasses, and I got them from Amazon, and I can actually link them for you guys below. Like, I can't tell you the amount of comments I had on these glasses. Like, it's crazy. So I also have them in pink, but I'll link these and the pink ones for you. I'll show you the pink ones when I get home.
There we go. Here, is
Thank
that right
you.
for you?
Do you have a straw?
Oh yeah, I got you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, so we just came back from TJ Maxx. I got some gift bags. They're not really the ones that I wanted, but honestly, they're kind of cute. Because I'm gonna get, I mean, I already gotten. So I gotten tissue paper with like little bows on it and like candy cane stripes and stuff. And it has like pink tissue paper in it. So it's gonna come out cute. Hey guys, we're in the car wash. I keep forgetting to fold my mirror when I come in, because this mirror tends to like fold, and it was like that with my last car too. Look at it! Like, oh my god. It's alright. These machines are really powerful. It's really fun. So I'm gonna be doing my nails, and I think I have everything. I have the UV light, I have some glue, we have some gel polishes. I also got these off of Shein. I hope they work well. This is a top coat. Okay, we have a top coat, we have a base coat, and there's also a gel builder, just to like give it some like thickness. But yeah, let's try these on. I seen somebody like put this on, like the base on first, and then do everything like on the palette, but I don't know if I want to do that. I think I'm just gonna attach the nails on and just put it on and paint it on. What is this? So what I like to do to like hold my nails down, typically like press on nails lasts about a week for me. So, oh my gosh, I almost missed a step. Guys, we're supposed to file our nails. Like we're supposed to like buff them. And we're just gonna buff down the nail a little bit, not too much. You don't wanna like damage your nail bed. And that's like one reason why I like doing my nails myself, because when you go to a salon, they drill so much of your nail bed down and like my nails become weak. Okay, so I just filed my, not filed, but like buffed my nail beds a little bit. As you can see. Sorry, I keep burping. If you guys have a nail dehydrator, that would be perfect to dehydrate your nails before you put the nails on. I just don't have one at the moment. I probably do, but it's probably like deep in my closet somewhere. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on the nails. So what I do to keep the nails on my nails is to basically put the glue around your nail like that to like fill it up, and then you're just gonna put a dot of glue, like not like a dot but a little more of a dot, like a drop of glue on the nail, and that's how you make it stay on. Because okay, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna continue with every other nail, so I'll be back. So I'm gonna file the nails a little bit, like the side of it, so it won't be like too boxy. So we're gonna take the builder gel. I'm gonna do one nail first and see how that goes. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, this is not too bad, not too bad. Did it even do anything? Anyways, maybe that's because that was a builder gel. So let's put the top coat on. Okay guys, so the nails are did. Look at them, they're super pretty. I'm gonna try to get shorter nails next time, because when you have nails like this long, for some reason it's very like transparent, so you can see like you can see through them, like there's light coming through them, and I don't like that look, but it's okay. Or maybe something with like a thicker white like color. Hey guys, so it's later on in the day. I look absolutely disgusting, but I just figured that I wasn't gonna vlog for like the rest of the day, because like I said, I'm not really doing much. I've just been sitting here on my phone or watching videos, trying to watch a movie, and it's just been really relaxing. I just love doing that. It's just, that's like fun to me. But yeah, but I just wanted to give you guys a proper outro. Hopefully you guys will be seeing more vlogs from me. And I hope this wasn't too boring. I hope that you guys have a really, really great week, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.